What is somatic experiencing? Somatic experiencing is a talk-based therapy that helps you become aware of your body and how and why and how much trauma could have had an impact on your nervous system, making you still feel symptoms and discomfort even today. Somatic experiencing is about attending to that discomfort and symptoms that your body is experiencing today from the traumas or anything difficult that has happened long ago, recently, yesterday, from anywhere other than just now. Somatic experiencing is a talk therapy that is based on the awareness of the body more than the talks about the stories, the situations, the feelings, the emotions, because talking about them may not help us heal from what we're experiencing today. But paying attention and building our awareness with the body today helps us become more aware, and through that awareness also heal from these cycle or loop of symptoms of pain, discomfort, fear, anxiety, overthinking, whatever. Sometimes relationship strains, everything. So somatic experiencing is a combination of talking and body work, both based on the awareness of the body. If you are someone who understands and aligns with this part of working with trauma through the awareness of the body, book yourself a session now, or call us, DM us, anything, reach out to our clinic, and we are always available to help you with a session. For more such informative content or to know more about such therapies, like, share and follow.